about nearly everything I've seen, and I have felt the fire get put out by too much gasoline. We're all strangers passing through a place in time, an afternoon. Life is but a vision in a window that we're peeking through. Helpless conversation with a man who says he cares a lot. It's a passive confrontation about who might throw a punch or not. We are all transgressors, we're all sinners, we're all astronauts. So if you're beating death, then raise your hand, but shut up if you're not. 'Cause I am a difference maker. Oh, I am only one who speaks to him. And I am the friendliest of friends of God. I am a difference maker.